So I just found another cool app and I'm gonna share it with you. With this app you can make your Instagram stories more authentic, more original, and it's so simple and easy to use. So let's open it, and as you can see it's very simple. You're gonna start with three options. Let's tap on get started, and then as you can see you have a bunch of fonts right here. They're very cool and not a lot of people are using these fonts, so your Instagram stories can look better if you use them. In this case I'm gonna use this font that I like, this one, these circles, and then I'm gonna tap my name, and that's one thing that you can do with this app. Another thing that I really like more than anything else is that you have emojis right here, but you don't have the regular emojis that everyone uses, you know, like these ones are like little images with color, and this app gives you some different emojis. Let me show you. We're gonna tap on the face, and as you can see you have happy, surprised, confused, whatever. Let's tap on confused and you'll see all these little faces, and they're super cool, they're super cute, and you can use them on any app that has text. If you have any app that you can work with text, all these symbols are gonna work well. And of course Instagram stories, we can use these symbols in Instagram stories. But I'm gonna share one more thing, and it's this one. You can have like your own text right here in the middle, and you have some sort of symbols that makes your text stand out, and you have like a bunch of things that you can use, and they also look cool. And I feel like if you use this on your Instagram stories, people are gonna be wondering, where is he getting this from, or where is she getting this from? So this is super cool too. You can like get the app and take your time and look at these symbols. But I'm gonna go back to the emoji section, and I'm gonna tap on angry. There's an emoji that I like a lot, and I'm gonna use that in my text that I have. It's this one right here. I love this one. So once you have your text ready to go, you just gotta tap on copy, and then let's go to Instagram, open it. Once you're there, you're gonna tap on your Instagram stories, and I'm gonna choose a black image so you can see the text very well. So we're gonna tap on the text option on Instagram stories, and we're just gonna paste our text. And as you can see, you have like a very nice font that not everyone has, and on top of that you have like a very cool emoji. Like I haven't seen this too often. Like I haven't seen people using these emojis. Everyone uses the regular ones, and I feel like if you start using these ones, you're gonna grab more attention from your followers. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.